How can you make money on binary options in just 60 seconds? What strategy can you use to make consistent profits on short time frames? How can you minimize risks and avoid unnecessary losses when trading binary option? Hello everyone, my name is Victoria. I'm a professional trader with more than 5 years of experience in financial markets. On this channel, we make trading understandable and accessible to anyone, even absolute beginners. Today we will analyze the best 60-second trading strategy for binary options. This is a high-frequency strategy that requires fast analysis and accurate decisions. We will look into how it works, what indicators to use, and how to minimize risks. This strategy will help you trade with minimal time spendings and maximum efficiency. Stay tuned to know how to make money on binary options. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you don't miss new videos. Watch closely, listen sharply, and let's get down to business. Binary options trading with a 60-second time frame is one of the fastest strategies that requires high precision. Instant decision making is very important here, as every second can play a critical role in the success of a deal. This strategy is perfect for traders who are quick on their feet and respond to market changes fast. So, for the strategy to be successful, it is absolutely necessary to use proven indicators that will help make decisions within such short time frames. For trading in 60 seconds, I recommend two basic indicators. RSI, Relative Strength Index. RSI helps to identify overbought and oversold zones of an asset. If you've been watching my videos, you already know how the indicator works. If an asset is overbought, RSI value is above 70, this is a signal that the trend may reverse down and you open a sell deal. If an asset is oversold, RSI value is below 30, this is a signal to open a buy deal. EMA, Exponential Moving Average. EMA with periods of 5 and 10 helps to understand the trend direction. The intersection of a short EMA with a longer EMA is a signal to open a deal. If a shorter EMA crosses a longer one from bottom to top, it is a signal to buy. In case the same happens from top to bottom, we open a sell signal. These indicators work well together and complement each other, helping us avoid false signals. Setting up a strategy, steps to success. Now we move on to the strategy itself. In order for the strategy to work on a 60-second time frame, you need to follow several important steps. Step 1. Market analysis before trading. Before opening a deal, analyze the market conditions. This can be done using candlestick analysis and charts. It is important to understand whether the market is trending or moving sideways, as this affects the indicator signals. The strategy works best in trending conditions, when price movements are more predictable. Step 2. Installing indicators. Your chart should have RSI and 2 EMA moving averages with periods of 5 and 10 installed. These are the key indicators for short-term trading. Step 3. Signals for opening deals. When RSI shows that the asset is overbought or oversold, RSI is above 70 or below 30, and the moving averages intersect, this is a signal to open a deal. If RSI shows a value above 70 and the short EMA crosses the long one from top to bottom, this is a signal to open a sell deal. If RSI shows a value below 30 and the short EMA crosses the long one from bottom to top, this is a signal to open a buy deal. Step 4. Determining entry and exit points. For this strategy, it is important to wait for the right moment of entry. When both indicators confirm one direction, open a deal for 60 seconds. Your goal is to catch the short-term momentum and lock in profits in 1 minute. Risk management. As with any trading strategy, risk management is a key element of successful binary options trading. For the 60-second strategy, it is important to limit your losses to preserve your capital even in negative outcomes. I recommend the following. Never risk more than 2 to 3% of your deposit on one deal. If your strategy ends in 3 losing deals in a row, it is better to take a break and reevaluate the market. Remember that although 60-second deals allow you to make a quick profit, they can also lead to losses if you trade too aggressively. Deal example. Let's look at a real example. Let's say we are trading the EUR-USD currency pair. The RSI indicator shows a value of 75, which indicates that the asset is overbought. At this point, the short EMA crosses the long EMA from top to bottom, which confirms a possible price reversal. We open a 60-second sell deal. 1 minute later, the deal closes with a profit, as the price has indeed started to decline. This example illustrates how the combination of RSI and EMA allows you to get accurate signals for 60-second trades. If you want to get more strategies for trading binary options, there you can find daily useful deals, trading which you can start earning all by yourself. Link to the channel is in description below. Join not to miss it. So, let's move on to practice and enter real deals. To begin with, I am going to open currency pairs with a payout higher than 70%. Next, we need to open two indicators. Here is RSI, we have it open, and the next indicator is EMA. We open the moving average indicator, find the EMA line, then select the first period of 5. Let's mark it yellow, and then open the second moving average indicator, but with a period of 10, and mark it pink color. Okie dokie, everything is ready. I set a deal time for 1 minute, and let's start with $100. Now, let's find the first currency pair. Now, we see a situation. Here, RSI has reached 70. There will be a reversal, but we also see that our yellow line with a short period crosses the long one from bottom to top, which is a kind of a contradictory signal. Although now we see a change, and this is actually a great moment for entering, because at this point the lines will intersect and the yellow line will cross the pink one from top to bottom. This will be an obvious sign of a reversal. We see it happening right now. So we have the Euro-Canadian dollar currency pair for 1 minute. Let's go. An excellent deal. Brings us profit. Here you see this is exactly the moment. Now the yellow crosses the pink line. So let's move on. Here, Australian dollar, Japanese yen, a similar situation, but here we enter a little later. Let's see how this deal plays out. Okay, the deal went negative. We didn't have enough time. We were literally short of 2-3 seconds. So, the next currency pair is US dollar Swiss franc. We see here a situation where RSI has turned from the 70 line and the trend has reversed. The EMA line with a period of 5 crosses the EMA line with a period of 10 from top to bottom, and the trend has reversed. Excellent. The deal brings profit. Here you have 3 deals. We earned $150. Our second deal was negative. Share your results in the comment section. Just let me remind you not to forget about the rule of 1 to 3% of your deposit. When you open deals, do not forget about the psychology of trading, and do not forget. Today I told you all about the best 60-second trading strategy for binary options. Remember that the key to successful trading is not only choosing the right strategy but also proper risk management. The combination of RSI and EMA indicators helps to get more accurate signals and avoid negative deals. It is important to follow the trading plan and not give in to your emotions. If you want to learn more about how to make money on binary options, subscribe to my channel and click the bell to stay up to date with new videos. Like this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!